epic rap battles of history. Hank Hill versus Faith Hill. Begin. Hank Hill's the name and propane's my game. Don't mess with my lawn or I'll send you up in flames. Every word you speak is so damn weak that we'll drive on out of Arlen and throw you in the creek. They sold your albums at the counter at Taco Bueno, but much like their food, it went down the Drano. I might like the drink in the alley, but just so it's clear, you're just a little lady that has a whole lot to fear. Ah!
Well, Hank, I made more money today than you'll ever see. You're just jealous that your wife doesn't look like me. My kids can pass English and my family can sing. The closest you've got is, oh wait, no championship ring. My husband Tim can sing and he can also act. You're just a washed up redneck that has no tact. So, Mr. Hill, let's get this straight. Charcoal is better and my music is great.
Listen here, darling, don't mess with the pride of Arlen. You better go now before Ladybird comes a-calling. I got a big whoop-ass once I open this can, so tell her, Boomhauer.
No, dang right, man.
We can destroy you in Bago with the greatest of ease. For my best trick of the day, get on your knees. Boomhauer was the ringer. We just killed this singer. Ah!
You sick old hick, you're never gonna last. I bet those glute pads really wear out fast. You're perpetually drunk and your friends are deadbeats. Dale with his bug and all Bill does is eat. Your boy's retarded just like your half-brother, so I'll throw out the country and let's rock this mother.
Who won? Who's next? You decide. Epic rap battles of history. Damn it, Bobby.